Good morning, children. We will continue our chapter Fractions. We had studied about fractions in our last class. Today, we will solve exercise 1 in our classwork copies. So, what is the first question? Write the following fractions in numbers. We already studied about fractions. What are numerators? What are denominators? We know, right? First question is you have to write the numbers in fraction form. First is 2/5. Here, out of 5 parts, 2 have been taken. Means 2/5 here, 2 will be the numerator, 5 will be the denominator. 2 by 5. 1/6. 1 by 6. 1 is the numerator, 6 is the denominator. See, 3/8. 3 is the numerator, 8 is the denominator. Remaining D, E, F, you will complete, right? Second question is complete the table. In the first column, the fraction is given. Second column, numerator. Third, denominator. From the fraction, you have to write the numerator and denominator. Or if the numerator and denominators are given, you have to write the fraction. Here the fraction is given 3 by 5. You know which is the numerator, which is the denominator. Complete the numerator box. Okay. B part, here numerator and denominators have been given. You have to complete the fraction box. Next is fraction box has been given. You have to write the numerator and denominator. Third question. Shade the figure to show the given fraction. You have to shade the parts in the numerator and the total part will be the denominator. If you count the total number of squares, you will see that there are 16 squares. Out of these 16, you have to color 7 squares. Shade the 7 squares. Okay. Complete the shading part. You have to do it on your own. Okay. So complete 7 squares in shading. Okay. The next is 3 by 8. You have to count the total number of parts in the circle. There are 8 parts. If you count, you will find that there are 8 parts. Now, you have to color 3 parts out of these 8 parts. You have to count 3 parts and color it. Fourth question is, write the fraction for the shaded parts. Count the shaded squares and count how many total squares are there. You have to write the shaded parts in the numerator and total parts in the denominator. Next is total number of circles you have to count and find out how many parts are shaded. Total will be the denominator and the shaded parts will be the numerator. Numerator upon denominator, right? Fifth question, you have to find out which is greater or which is less or which is equal to. Okay. First question is 3 by 7 and 3 by 7. You can see both are equal. Next is 6 by 11 and 8 by 11. Here you have to draw total 11 squares and shade 6 parts first. Again draw 11 squares. Shade there 8 squares and find out which one is greater. You can find like this that 8 by 11 is greater. Okay. Third is here also you have to draw 8 squares. 2 times you have to draw 8 squares, 8 squares. First one you color 7 parts. Then you will find out that which one is greater. Okay. D, E, F you complete it on your own. Arrange in ascending order. Here if the denominator is same, then you will see that the fraction where numerator is having higher number will be greater only. Okay. Start from the smaller one. 2 by 17 will be the smallest. Then like this 6 by 17 will be the greatest. Okay. But if the denominators are different, then you will have to shade and find out. Okay. That will be a method to find out. Eighth question is find half of 48 grams. Here half of 48 grams means 48 grams you are dividing into 2 equal parts, right? You are dividing 48 into 2 equal parts. So 48, if you take half and half, then it will be 24 and 24, right? Half of 48 will be 24 grams. B is 1/3 of 99, means 99 you are dividing into 3 equal parts. So if you divide 99 into 3 equal parts, you will get 33, right? Third is half of 60 minutes. You all know half of 60 minutes is 30 minutes, right? You have to divide 60 into 2 equal parts. It will be 30. 1/3 of 72 liters means you have to divide 72 liters into 3 equal parts. It will come out to be, you have to find it yourself, right? So we have completed exercise 1 today. Please complete it and send me for correction. Thank you and have a nice day.